Now it's time to take a look at the stories making headlines around the world. More than 450 people are now reported to have died in Sunday's powerful earthquake that hit near the Iran-Iraq border. Former US President George H.W. Bush is accused of sexual misconduct again. And chip giant Qualcomm rejects a takeover bid from rival Broadcom. For more on these and just for these stories, we turn to our Ro Aram. So, Aram, we're going to start off with the earthquake. We are seeing some truly awful scenes there.
That's right, Mark. A huge rescue effort is underway to find any possible survivors in the rubble of collapsed buildings. Sunday's 7.3 magnitude quake also caused landslides, which had hampered rescue operations soon after the tremor. More than 450 people are now said to have been killed, mostly from the Iranian side of the mountainous border region with Iraq, making it the deadliest quake in the world this year so far. About 7,000 others are also said to be injured. Many survivors are spending a second night in cold winter conditions, and many of them are angry at the lack of shelters and aid. Hospitals have also been severely damaged, making it more difficult to treat the wounded. Iranian state TV has reported that the country's president, Hassan Rouhani, planned to travel to the hardest hit area to oversee rescue work.